Hello, so wondering on how to solve this maths problem? So worry not, let's work it within the shortest time possible. So here let's start with our solution. So 4 to the power of a minus 2 is equals to 24. So here now, when you have a to the power of m minus n, this one can also be written as a to the power of m all over a to the power of n. So similarly, our 4 to the power of a we shall now have 4 to the power of a, then all over 4 to the power of 2 is equals to 24. So from there now we shall now say that now 4 to the power of a all over 4 to the power of 2 is 16 is equals to 24. So from here now we shall multiply both sides by 16. So here also by 16. So 16 by 16 shall cancel. So now 4 to the power of a is equals to 24 multiplied by 16. So let's now introduce the log. So now we shall now have the log of, so introduce the log from both sides. We shall now have the log of 4 to the power of a is equals to the log into bracket 24 multiplied by 16. So then now when you have the something like the log of p to the power of m, the log of p to the power of m, this one can be written as m now, m the log of p. So here now we shall have 8 or a log 4 is equals to the log 24 multiplied by 16. So that is now what we shall now have. So the next step that we need to do is to divide both sides by the log of 4, then also this side also by the log of 4. So log 4 and log 4 shall cancel. So now our value for a is equals to, so here we shall now have the log of, so 24 multiplied by 16, we shall now have the log of 24 plus the log of 16 all over the log of 4. So next one we shall say that, so here our value for a is equals to, so the log of 24 all over the log of 4, then plus, so log 16 can also be written as the log of 4 to the power of 2, then all over the log of 4. So our value for a here is equals to the log of 24, then all over the log of 4, then plus, so this one can also be written as 2 log 4 all over the log of 4. So the value for a in this case is equals to the log of 24 all over the log of 4, then plus, so here log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, so now we shall now end up with 2. So next now we shall move on and say that our value for a is equals to, so the log of 24 can also be written as 6 multiplied by 4, then plus 2 all over the log of 4. So here now we shall say that our value for a now is equals to, so now we shall now have the log of 6 plus the log of 4, then all over, so we shall divide both sides by the log of 4, then also this side all over the log of 4, then plus this 2. So here now the value for a, so the value for a is equals to, so here now we shall have log 6 all over the log of 4, then plus, so log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, so here now we shall have 1 plus 2. So here now our value for a is equals to, so the log of 6 can also be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 2, so put into bracket all over, so the log of 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then here plus, so 2 plus 1 is 3. So let's now work it out by now saying that the value for a is equals to, so here now we shall have the log of 3 plus the log of 2, then all over, so the log of 2 to the power of 2 can also be written as 2 log 2, then all over 2 log 2 plus 3. So here now shall now say that the value for a is equals to, so here now we shall have 1 over 2. So 1 over 2, the log of 3 all over the log of 2, then plus, here now shall have 1 over 2, since log 2 and log 2 shall cancel, plus 3. So when we have something like the log of A all over the log of B, so this one can also bring us the log of A to the base of B. So finally, our final answer shall be A to be equals to 1 over 2, the log of 3 to the base of 2, then plus 1 over 2 plus 3. So now this one now shall qualify to be our final and the most correct answer. So let's stop there and see you in our next video.